How to stay motivated all the time. See, this is the lockdown period and we all have so much time but we can't consume that. So how we can overcome this situation and how we can consume our time and make that so productive. See, first question that why do we need motivation? That may be exercise for someone, studying for someone, or doing whatever work or deadlines they have. And motivation is something internal. It never comes from the external sources actually. And without motivation now, we can't even have this much of energy that we can get out of our bed in the morning. This is not a joke but a reality. So today in this video, I'll try to give you some techniques that will help you to enhance your motivation. So 4 most effective techniques to stay motivated all the time. So let's see the first one, which is organization. See, as the name suggests, to organize your things. How to organize your thing? That can be by preparing a timetable or by scheduling that. And this is much better to effectively set up a night routine and a morning routine. Because see, if you have prepared it and you have set all of your priorities and you know what to do, when to do and how to do. Now one thing you need to do is to start, because see, it is really better to start something, to do something but get failure rather than regret. So please do it and organize your work. Now let's see the second technique, which is stay active and energetic. If you want to get motivated and to complete your goal, this is really important that you should have enough energy to do that work. So one thing that you can do is to eat healthy, because this will really helpful, and you should also try to do some exercises. And if you can't do that, then you should even try a jogging or a walk in the morning, because this will make you physically active. But wait, if you're physically active and not mentally relaxed, this can create problem because you'll not be able to focus. So for this purpose, you should try meditation or yoga exercises. So after these two, like physically activeness and mentally relaxed, you will be able to focus on your work much better. So now let's move on to the third technique, which is reward yourself. This is one of my favorite and it really helpful for me. Like if you have so much hard thing to do that will consume so much time and you don't feel like to do them, so take time, take a deep breath, do that, and after completing of that particular task, you should try to do your hobbies, to treat yourself by listening to music, or you should try to treat yourself with the food, any chocolate, cake or desserts you have after completing of that work, because it will release a dopamine hormone in your body. That is a happy hormone, so that will really motivate you to do that work. You should also try the dancing moves, because dancing moves are so energetic and it will energize you so much. You can also try this for physically fitness. Also some people really like to do painting. Try that, this will really helpful. Now before moving on the fourth technique, please make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the bell button. Now let's see fourth one, what's something inspirational. This is again really helpful for me, because as we all know that we are consuming and spending so much time on our mobile phones, so this is better to invest that, like by watching a motivational video on YouTube, inspirational something, so that will really enhance you and motivates you to do your work.